Okay, so I finished wrapping the mirror caps of the Chevy SS. I used 3M black metallic. I had some laying around. I really wasn't planning on doing this, but I knew I wanted black caps just to try them out, so I had some extra vinyl. I was able to wrap it very easily. So as you can see, these just pop right off. There's no tools required. It just has these tabs here that just snap on and easy to pull off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Just so you know, I kind of let the wrap go over a little bit with a little heat gun, and it should be good. I don't know, hopefully I didn't leave too much material on there. I guess we'll find out. You can hear it snapping. And that's it. It's not the best job in the world. I still have a couple of bumps here that I need to press down, but overall I like the look of the black mirror caps on the side view mirror. Now it's not matching with the plastic, of course, but probably wasn't going to be the case anyway. But it does kind of match the glimmer of that plastic, but it's not exact, of course. But I like it. It kind of accents the black trim on the car. So hope you guys enjoyed that. See you later.